There was, relatively recently, within the last several years, an incident that many of you are becoming aware of now, where one of our ships was fired upon by a missile from one of your planes. As you have probably witnessed in the video that captured the incident, the missile bounced off the ship harmlessly, thus demonstrating several things. Number one, the vehicles are solid vehicles. They are not illusions. The missile bounced off. When the missile bounced off, pieces of the missile came off the missile. The pieces that came off the missile when the UFO, which wobbled a little bit at the impact, and then continued on its merry way, took the debris from the missile with it. Because you could see that the debris was caught in the space-time energy field of the vehicle. And as the vehicle accelerated away, the debris caught in its bubble traveled with it exactly at the same speed. So it demonstrated several things. And the idea is to understand, as has been demonstrated also many times, that we cannot really be harmed by your technology at this point. We are here to stay. There is a lot of traffic around your planet that is coming and going. And at the same time, allowing you to understand that your technology is no threat to us at all. Now, we have also demonstrated many times, and we have mentioned this before, that sometimes there have been vehicles that have hovered over what you call your nuclear missile sites, and they have scrambled and canceled and reordered the nuclear launch codes. Again, demonstrating you will not be allowed to have a global thermonuclear war. Now, this gives you the opportunity to piece all these things together and to understand and to demonstrate we pose no threat to you.